Paulo Avelino's loyalty questioned amidst dating rumors. Who's the secret girlfriend? Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the juicy world of celebrity gossip and intrigue as we explore the latest dating rumors surrounding the charming Paulo Avelino. Known for his exceptional talent and good looks, Paulo has recently found himself in the eye of a storm as whispers of a secret girlfriend begin to circulate. What does this mean for his reputation, and how are fans reacting? Stay tuned as we uncover the details behind these tantalizing rumors. Paulo Avelino has long been a household name in the Philippines, captivating audiences with his performances in hit television series and films. His charm and charisma have won him a dedicated fanbase, making him one of the most sought-after actors in the industry. However, with fame comes scrutiny, and Paulo's personal life has often been under the microscope. In the past, Paulo has been linked to several prominent figures in the entertainment industry, including actress Jody Santa Maria and model-turned-actress, and he has never shied away from discussing his romantic experiences. However, the latest rumors about a secret girlfriend have raised eyebrows and sparked speculation among fans and media alike. Recently, social media has been buzzing with speculation about Paulo's love life. Reports suggest that he has been spotted with a mysterious woman on multiple occasions, leading fans to wonder, who is she? Sources claim that the two have been seen enjoying intimate dinners and cozy outings, but details about the woman remain scarce. The lack of concrete information has only fueled the fire, with fans eagerly trying to piece together the puzzle. As the dating rumors swirl, questions about Paulo's loyalty have emerged. Fans who have long admired him are now left wondering if he is truly committed or simply enjoying the single life. "I can't believe he would date someone secretly. I thought he was all about loyalty," one fan tweeted, expressing disappointment over the rumors. Others remain supportive, reminding fans that celebrities deserve privacy in their personal lives. While the identity of Paulo's rumored girlfriend remains a secret, speculation is rampant. Some believe she could be an actress, while others suggest she may be a non-showbiz personality. Social media sleuths have taken to platforms like Twitter and Instagram to dig for clues, analyzing Paulo's posts and interactions for any hints about her identity. Fans have thrown around names, with some speculating that the woman could be a rising star in the industry. Could it be a new love interest from one of his projects? One fan asked. Others are hoping it's someone who truly understands the pressures of being in the spotlight, as they believe that would allow for a more grounded relationship. As the rumors continue to escalate, many are left wondering how Paulo will address the situation. In the past, he has been candid about his relationships, often taking to social media to clarify misunderstandings. However, this time, he seems to be keeping silent, possibly to maintain the mystery surrounding his personal life. Paulo's decision to remain tight-lipped may be strategic, allowing him to navigate the dating scene without the pressure of public opinion. Sometimes, it's best to let the rumors swirl, a source close to Paulo revealed. He values his privacy and wants to enjoy his personal life without the constant scrutiny. As with any celebrity gossip, fan reactions have been mixed. Some fans express concern over Paulo's loyalty, while others rally to support him, emphasizing that he's entitled to a personal life just like anyone else. "Let him live. He deserves happiness," one supporter commented, while another added, "I just hope he's not playing with anyone's heart." This situation also raises questions about the role media plays in the lives of celebrities. The constant scrutiny can be overwhelming, leading to speculation that often spirals out of control. "It's tough being in the limelight. People forget that celebrities are human too," a media analyst pointed out. As the dating rumors surrounding Paulo Avelino continue to swirl, fans are left on the edge of their seats, eagerly awaiting any confirmation or denial from the actor himself. Whether he is indeed dating someone or simply enjoying his time as a single man, one thing is for sure, the intrigue surrounding his love life is far from over. With the mystery woman still unidentified and loyalty questions lingering, Paulo's fans are left to navigate the emotional rollercoaster of celebrity gossip. Will he reveal the truth, or will the mystery remain? Only time will tell. Thank you for joining us as we unpack the latest rumors surrounding Paulo Avelino and his secret girlfriend. What do you think is really going on? Is he in love, or are these just baseless rumors? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more juicy updates on your favorite stars. Until next time, keep your eyes peeled for more exciting celebrity news.